Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and comprehensive analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0.78. Now let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, with a gain of 1.38%. This translates to an average return of 0.35% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 3.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 13.42% to a slight increase of 0.0149%. In terms of the 12-month trend, forecasts suggest a change of around 41.69% over the next year, with expected returns between 32.03% and 56.31%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately $323.31 to $382.77 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Apple stock after gaining 0.164%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Apple stock saw an increase of 0.164%, moving from $244.47 to $244.87. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.17%, with a low at $243.16 and a high of $246.01. The stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, accumulating a total increase of 5.18% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 16 million shares from the previous day, with a total of 32 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.87 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside increasing prices may signal a divergence, potentially indicating changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price sits 5.85%, or $15.22, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time peak for the stock. Apple has unveiled its latest smartphone, the iPhone 16e, designed as a lower-cost alternative to replace the aging iPhone SE. The launch of the iPhone 16e comes at a crucial time, with the entry-level smartphone segment gaining momentum. By adding artificial intelligence capabilities, Apple positions itself to capture a broader audience, aiming to reignite demand for its flagship product line. This strategic move could potentially bolster sales in the short term as consumers gravitate towards more affordable, feature-rich options. In the long term, while the price increase compared to the SE may deter some budget-conscious buyers, the introduction of artificial intelligence functionalities might justify the investment for many, thus enhancing Apple's revenue potential. However, the looming threat of tariffs on imported goods could introduce volatility, impacting Apple's supply chain and possibly its profit margins. Overall, the market's response to the iPhone 16e and its integration of artificial intelligence capabilities could influence Apple's stock price positively, reflecting optimistic investor sentiment regarding growth in new customer acquisition and technological advancement. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 19, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 19, 2025, it was also reported that UBS rated Apple as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies gave Apple a underperform grade with a hold action. Loop Capital Markets reported on that Wednesday that they assigned Apple a hold grade with a downgrade action. Earlier, on Thursday, February 13th, 2025, Bank of America Securities rated Apple as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Apple stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels around $238.94 and $236.47. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and the stock has since increased by approximately 10%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to this stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has established a support level at $236, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is assessed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.85 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.17%. In the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $249.79. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $236. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of February in 2025, Susan Wagner made an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also executed an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On the first day of February in 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar proceeded with an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On the first day of February in 2025, Monica C. Lozano executed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a calculated ratio of negative 25.843. Overall, insiders acquired 1,796,930 shares and divested 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $231.74, representing a decrease of 5.36%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more suitable to regard it as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 19 cents and begin trading at $244.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information found on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.